It's 2025 and the digital age is here to stay, but you still like using pen and paper for note-taking and project brainstorming. The Rocketbook Core promises write, scan, erase, repeat system that blends both the analog and digital worlds. But how well does it actually work? And is it worth the hassle of ditching the way you've always done things? I've used everything from traditional notebooks to tablets for my note-taking. When I picked up the Rocketbook Core, I wanted something that felt like real pen and paper, but also made it easy to save and organize digitally. So here's what stands out. The pages are made from special synthetic coating that lets you write with a compatible pen, then erase with a damp cloth. The app lets you scan pages and then send them to cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, Slack, or email. And because you're reusing pages, the notebook reduces paper waste and fits into both analog note-taking habits and digital workflows. In everyday use, the Rocketbook Core worked nicely. The page feel is close to normal, though slightly slicker. Writing felt smooth and scanning was quick. When I used the erase function, it cleared cleanly and the page was ready again in seconds. A few trade-offs. You must, and I mean must, use compatible pens. Typically the specified Pilot friction type. Otherwise, erasing and scanning may not work as well as intended. For those that are really all about the paper and the way it feels, the feel of the page isn't identical to regular paper. Some users describe it's way more like writing on a smooth board. Rocketbook also makes other products that meet different needs. The Rocketbook Mini, a pocket-sized version perfect for quick notes on the go, and Rocketbook Sticky Notes, reusable note squares that let you organize ideas on your wall or monitor without wasting paper. They all use the same app and scan and save system, which makes it easy to mix and match depending on how you like to work. Overall, the Rocketbook Core is a smart hybrid notebook that blends analog writing and digital convenience. If you routinely take notes, sketch ideas, or have paper in your workflow but want real digital access with fewer physical volumes, this hits a sweet spot for a lot of power users out there. It's not perfect, but for the right user, the Rocketbook can really launch you into productivity.